Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a character move. So first of all, go on events, when green flag clicked, go on control, wait for 1 second, then go on looks, then switch costume to better B. You can also add better A. Then repeat this code, wait for 1 second, switch costume to better B. Then again, wait for 1 second, then switch costume to better C. And then again wait for 1 second, and at last switch costume to better D. Now this will appear as this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more scratch hacks, subscribe to my channel on YouTube and like this video. Thank you for watching and bye.